My name is Danielle. You can call me Dani, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do something new, something that I've never done but have been really inspired to do. Recently I have been looking like through my makeup collection, reorganizing it and stuff, and I've noticed I have a lot of makeup. I've been really intrigued with some things on Instagram. I see something called like Project Pan and stuff like that, where people go through a bunch of their makeup and try to like use it all up before a certain time and stuff like that. So I wanted to do the same thing but put my own little twist on it. So today I'm going to be showing you my Project Pan 20 in 2020. So these products that I'm about to show you, all of these are what I want to use up, like the whole entire thing. I want to use it by the end of the year. I think I can do it. 20 sounds like a lot, but when you look at them, it doesn't look like a lot. But then again, you know, you never know. The very first product in my 20 in 2020 Project Pan is the Lorac Light Source 3-in-1 Illuminating Primer. This is one of the very first products that I have ever gotten from Lorac, and I love it. I love the illuminating finish it gives you on the skin. I love how it just gives you like this nice little glow. And of course, adding more and more primers into my collection, I kind of forgot about it. So I plan on using this up this year. Next is this Stila Glitter and, oh wait, this is the Shimmer and Glow in the shade Freedom. It's this a beautiful blue shade. I know blue is a very interesting color, but as you guys know, I am a bold person. I love bold colors. So I want to finish this at the end of the year. Next is this gel eyeliner. This is from Ulta Beauty and this is in the shade Blackout. I want to use this whole thing up by the end of the year because I have recently stopped using, well, not recently, but I have stopped using gel eyeliner, but I love gel eyeliner, especially when that's all you're using and you just have lashes on. Putting it in right there on the like the edge of your lashes and stuff makes your lashes just look more fuller and your just eyes look just so much more open, you know. So I want to use this one up by the end of the year and hopefully I won't get distracted by other ones. Next is this Too Faced Hangover Primer. This one is the Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water, and it is proactive and nourishing. I want to use the rest of this up this year because although it's not like the best primer in the world, but it does help my skin a little bit when I add more of my hydrating primers to it. But I just want to use it up because this is basically like one of the only Too Faced products I have and I just want to get it out of my collection. Next is this MAC and Patrick Star collaboration eyeshadow quad. This is in Heat Stroke, and this was from their, I want to say summer collection. Yes, it was their summer collection, if I'm hopefully remembering correctly. And they have some beautiful shades. I chose this one because it has a bunch of beautiful regular everyday shades, and it has that beautiful red in there that can add just a little boldness to my eyes whenever I want it. And I want to use this up because I love Patrick, but since this was just like a limited edition thing, I want to use her up before she gets, you know, a little too old, you know what I'm saying? Next, this is my e.l.f. color correcting stick. This one is for dark circles. I've been really good on like my sleeping and stuff, especially because your girl was doing a lot of recovering. So I don't have that much dark circles, but I do like using it on the corners of my lips and just like any other like dark spots that might be popping up places. So I want to use up this the rest of the year. And yeah, I think this was one of the first ones that I've tried, but of course I find other color correctors, so I want to try using this one up before I move on to other ones. Next is this metallic eyeshadow from Morphe. This one is in the shade Fuego. I got this in a set of like multiples, and for some reason they don't sell them anymore. They don't like, I don't even think they have them on their website anymore because every time I check I don't see anything like this on there. So I want to use it up because you know, you can't really find it anywhere else. No one else usually has it, so I will use it like off camera and stuff like that, and just try my best to use her up. Next is the Sephora I Love Cushion Bronzer. I use this in a full face of unusual products, something like, or testing like unusual products or something. I'll put like an iCard here and leave a link down below about it. But I actually really, this was one of the products I actually really liked. So I want to use her up because since she is a cushion bronzer, she will dry up. So I want to use up as much as I can before her time is gone. Next is this mini hourglass mascara. I think this is so cute. It's in the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I have never used anything of Hourglass, but I really want to try this mascara and want to use her up this year and see if I enjoy her. Next is this Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the OG original one. As you can see, I have already hit pan on her. And I kind of just want to get rid of her because I do have a backup. But this one has been with me since like the day one I started makeup, like even before the YouTube. So I definitely want to just get her done and over with. I'm pretty sure this one will be easy because I've already hit pan, but also I've also, you know, had her for a while. So we'll see. I'm excited for that one. Next is a Next is a NYX lipstick. This one is in the shade Dainty Days. This is their Suede collection. This is such a beautiful nude color. I love it. And I want to get more into like nude lips and stuff like that. So I want to try to use this up by the end of the year. And then the next one from the NYX Suede collection is this beautiful color. This is Brunch Me. This one's more of like a pinky nude. Super beautiful, and I just want to sort of get used to those two and kind of stick to a lipstick that I will actually use. And then next is this Wet n Wild 10 pan eyeshadow palette. This is the Boo Crew. This one came out during their Halloween collection. I love these colors, especially these sort of more metallic glitters over on this side of the pan. I'm really excited. I want to use her up by the end of the year because I have never used up a whole eyeshadow palette before because I have so many of them. But your girl's gonna try her hardest to get this one done. Next is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer version in this style anti-aging. Now I have had this for quite a while. She is almost used up. I just want to use the last bit of her because I've had her for a while. She is really good. I do really like this one, but I do have a lot of other eyeshadow primers, so your girl wants to try to keep pushing them along, you know what I'm saying? Next is this beautiful Funko and Cruella de Vil blush palette. These colors are stunning. I love these. I'm wearing them right now, but so beautiful. They are also so pigmented, honey. Like, I need one brush to apply and then another blush to diffuse because they are so pigmented but so beautiful, and I want to try to just get rid of her and then I can just use the beautiful palette as like a display. Next is this NYX Dark Circle Corrector in the shade Fair. I use this more as a eyeshadow primer, so I think this one should be easy to I guess use up by the end of the year because not only will I use it for my dark circles and stuff and my dark patches, I'll use her for eyeshadow primers. So I'm kinda okay with that one because I'm pretty sure I can get that one done. Next is this Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the shade Spark. This is one of the best highlighters from Morphe in the world. It is one of their mini ones, but super beautiful. Like, you can even see that glow on my face. Ooh, girl. She is so beautiful, and I'm really, like, I've really indented her, but I have not hit pan yet, and I have had her for a while, so I kind of want to get rid of her so then I can dip into some of my other highlighters and not feel so guilty that I'm not using up all my highlighters, you know? Next is this Volume Booster Lash Primer from Essence. This is one of my favorite lash primers in the world. I love this one right next to my Lancome one. But of course I need to use this one up so I can keep using some new ones and try out some ones that I might like. So I want to use this one up by the end of the year. For number 19 and 20, these are from the Makeup Revolution London. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour concealers. I have the shade C6 and C7. I want to use up both of them. These are my top favorite concealers, but of course I tried a lot of different concealers from high end to low end and stuff, so I want to try to use these girls up so that I can keep pushing forward my other concealers. Plus these are really good, and I'm really excited because I want to order the larger ones, and hopefully those will last longer, because I'm pretty sure I can get these ones used up, because I think this is my third time purchasing these, and yeah, that's how good these are, and that's how easy I can run them through. Alrighty guys, that is all my stuff that I want to pan in 2020, and then at the end of the year I'll be doing a overall empties of 2020, so hopefully I will get all of those in there. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend you trying this, because if you are like me and you have a lot of makeup, I think this is a great idea to like keep by your makeup desk and just try to use up as much products as you can while also trying new things, because you don't want to forget about really good products that you've loved and kind of just forgotten because of like new products coming in. And I really hope brands start slowing down on launches and stuff, because it is hard to keep up, and with people launching so much, everyone feels like they need to buy it, get it, and everything like that. And I am a victim to one of those. Every time I see something new, I'm like, gotta get it. But this year, I really want to try and cut down on that and use up the makeup that I already have, and just try to clean out my makeup more. And of course, I'll still buy some launches, but of course I'll do like my research. I'll do more focus on if it's something that's universal or something that's more for me, and I know I'll keep using it, not just a one-time review type thing. And yeah. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. And let's see, oh, hit that bell notification so that you know when I upload my video on that Friday. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday.